Igamugunu, Igunuko, Igamugunu, Igamule, Orile-Iganmu.
Christ was born in a manger. Herod wanted to start another Biafra. Sent the wise men who needed the stars to tell them how far.
Greetings, my dear people of Nigeria, Lagos State, and Orile-Iganmu at large. We, the Orile-Iganmu Progressive Association, we are here with Kinabuti and friends to put a smile on the faces of the students of LA and Central Nursery and Primary School to make their Christmas a very beautiful one. So keep calm, enjoy, and send your comments. Thank you.
So today is the 14th party from the Kinabuti and Friends initiative for Christmas. We're very happy to be here. We are in LA, in Orile-Iganmu. This is nursery 1 and 2. This is Sabitat with me. This is her class. And we want to say thank you to everybody for these beautiful presents, for all these drinks, for all this party enjoyment and sharing and caring and loving. Happy? Yes!
Hi, my name is Nara from Kinabuti, and we're here in Orile. We're here for the 14th day of our annual Christmas giveaway for the children of Orile.
My name is Kinabuti. I'm the president of Orile-Iganmu Progressive Association, OIPA, Community-Based Non-Governmental Organizations here in Orile-Iganmu. You can see we are live here directly at Orile-Iganmu Center and LA Nursery and Primary School, where the annual Christmas gift item of Kinabuti and Friends is taking place for this year 2025. We want to thank Kinabuti and Friends, our initiatives and partners for this wonderful opportunity given to the people of Orile-Iganmu, LA and Nursery and Primary School. This is the 14th year running consecutively. This program has first started in 2011, and annually we can see Kinabuti and Friends coming to give wonderful gift items to celebrate our pupils here in Orile-Iganmu.
Shake your body. Row 1. Row 2.
So it has always been our culture to, give back to the society, and we have always been coming here all the time. The children are happy that we are here because there is a lot of gifts that is being shared to them. We want to wish everybody Happy Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.
Let's go. Hey, your leg. Hey, let's go. Like this, let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, yeah, raise your hand like this. Let's go. I'm seeing people that are not raising their hand. Hey, I'm going to be bringing out best dancers. So, hey, Benzina. Hey, let's go. You. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Patience Ajay from Jula Group, West Africa. We are excited to be partnering with Kinabuti and Friends for this year's event, which is the 13th event for Kinabuti. It's so exciting to see children happy out here receiving gifts because this is what Jula stands for. We provide machines for food processing, and we are showing that this is not all just we do. We also care about our community and the children in this community. This is why we're out here celebrating with the children and enjoying this festive season with them. This is a project that is so close to our heart. We just want to give back to the community, make sure that all the children are happy, that everybody has what to use to enjoy the Christmas season. So that's why we're here. We're so happy to be here.
My name is Gordon. I represent AMD Logistics, the number one logistics solution provider in Nigeria and of course the West African region. So we are here to give back to the community. We've been doing this for quite a while now, trying to enable the younger ones to give them a very good, nourishment. Of course, a nourished mind is a mind that is ready to learn. So, like I said, we have been doing it for quite a while, and yes, we want to do this again the following year. And of course, like I said, it's been a massive project by EMD Logistics. So we are happy and glad to be here.
Who is I have a winner here. Oh. It's like I have a winner. It's like we have a winner. Who is doing like me? Who is doing like me? This boy, right? Hey! Do we have a winner? Do we have a winner? Once a thing.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Good day, everyone. My name is Ibe Joy. I'm in primary 6B. We appreciate Kinabuti with OIPA for the gift he has given to us. Good day, everyone. My name is Abuta Francisca. The name of my school is Central Northern Primary School. The name of my class is 6A. I'm here to appreciate them for what the gift they have given to us on behalf of Central Northern Primary School.
We received the honor of Kinabuti group. They came to give our children a lot of gifts for their Xmas celebration. We are using this medium to say big thank you to Kinabuti because the children, the staff, and the head teacher and all management team, we are very, very overwhelmed of this kind of great gesture, and we are saying a big thank you as well.
Grab the bottle does what? The first person to grab the bottle does what? Oh yeah, let's go. My head, your shoulder, your knee, your leg, your waist, your head, your shoulder, your head. We dancing like this. Your head, hey, your shoulder, your knee, your leg, your knee. Grab the bottle. Your waist, your head, your shoulder, your waist, your head. Grab the bottle.
Okay. Everybody, Kinabuti, we appreciate you. In conjunction with OIPA, we say thank you very much. We appreciate your love. You have given the children hope, whereby many parents don't even have the time to take the children out to celebrate Christmas with them. You have done that. We love you. Kinabuti, Kinabuti, we all pray thank you for your love and good gesture. May the good Lord bless you. Kinabuti, Kinabuti, we all say thank you for your love and affection. We all say thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Adebite Abib. I am a bona fide student of local authority of primary school. I am from primary 6B. And I am here to thank the Kinabuti and friends conducted by OIP. And now to thank you for what you have given to all our students. And I pray God shall provide more and more for you. God shall make you all prosperous. And I pray God guide you in all the things you are doing. And I will be so happy if you come next year with 400. Thank you.
Okay, season greetings to everyone from Central Nursery and Primary School. On behalf of my teachers, on behalf of the school, on behalf of the beautiful students that we have, I, Obodozie Fumilola, is speaking on their behalf saying thank you for outstretched hand of love. Thank you for extending your love to us in this season. Thank you for looking at those who are in need and you were able to help in one way or the other. To Kinabuti, we are saying thank you very much in conjunction with OIPA, Orile-Iganmu Progressive Association. Thank you so much. We know of all what you're doing. We are aware of what you're doing. We are aware of your impact in the youth, in our youth. We are aware of everything you're doing, and we are saying a big thank you on behalf of the students, on behalf of their parents, because I'm sure that some of them will smile unlimitedly this afternoon as their children are approaching them. There will be a wild smile on their face, and with that is enough. Thank you. Thank you very much. We are grateful, and we say, children, what do you have to say? Thank you so much.
Orile-Iganmu